right, boys and girls, so you want to dance? Let's do it together with David. One More Dance, that is the title of his new song. Let's go into it. And we have no need for any capo here, only 4 chords. That's it. F, D minor, G minor, and C. Let's go into it and start with the beautiful F. And as you can see, no need for any capo here. We're going to start with this bar chord. So you're going to place the index finger on the 1st fret and push down all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. There you have your beautiful F over to D minor, and you can just keep that 2nd fret G string there if you want to do a smooth transition and go into the D minor, right? So it's the bass for the next chord, D minor, and it goes open D, that 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then you have the G minor, another bar chord. Now you have your index finger on the 3rd fret, and you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. And the final chord is C. And that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And again, the transition here from G minor, I just keep that ring finger and you just slide it over to this. All right, so I'm always about to have it as easy as possible, pretty much. So from the G minor, I go over to C, and I have that ready already. So you can see that. Ninja move over to that position, and there you have the last chord. So anyway, that's the round of it: F, D minor, G minor, and C. Now we can play that in 2 different ways when it comes to strumming. I would suggest this. Okay, so that is basically 6 downs, and you're gonna focus on the 4th down. There you have the one you want to emphasize. So you're gonna play on the bass strings pretty much on all the other downs. So 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th down, you answer or go the full downstroke on the 4th down, so you get the higher notes as well. And then you go back to bass mid area and play 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is a 1-string round. You can also play that with a clap. So if you do that, you're gonna replace the 4th down with a clap instead. So that will be 1, 2, 3, clap, 5, 6. So a couple rounds for getting the feeling for it goes like this. All right, so there you have it. And guess what? You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, and that's as easy as you can get. F2, D minor 2, G minor 2, and C2 like this. Again. Alright guys, so there you have it, and I hope we'll dance at least one more dance with David in the future. I believe so. So stay tuned here on Going Guitar. Hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.